Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can link your Instagram to TikTok. In order to link your Instagram account to TikTok, first thing first, update both of your application and then open up your Instagram application. So once you open up your Instagram application, this is how the interface is going to look like. Now to link your Instagram account, go to your profile. After that, you need to go ahead and tap the edit button located right over here. So tap on the edit button, and after that you'll be able to see you can add all of the social media such as YouTube and Instagram. So if you want to add Instagram, tap on Instagram or just tap on add Instagram. After that, you need to log in from your web browser. So you need to type in your email address or your username or your phone number associated with your Instagram account, or you can also continue with your phone number, whichever method that is convenient for you. Now type in your information. See that I'm successfully logged in to my Instagram account through a web browser. Now go ahead and allow all of the necessary details and all of the necessary permission. So as you can see that the Instagram link has been added to you have successfully linked your Instagram account to your TikTok. So just go ahead and tap on the edit icon located. So this is how you can link your Instagram to TikTok. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.